Did you know that 100% of us have experienced failure? And every stumble, every facepalm is stuffed with lessons. Let's face it, nobody's perfect. And every failure, no matter how small, is actually a step forward. Remember when you first learned to ride a bike? How many times did it take before you stopped wobbling and falling and finally stayed upright? Just like those early bike rides, every slip-up is just part of the process. It's not just about getting it right. It's about not giving up. So, next time you flop a new recipe or mess up assembly instructions, remember each goof, each blunder teaches us something new. So try to embrace the mess-ups and the mishaps. They're not just mistakes, they're stepping stones on the path to success. Keep pushing, keep trying, and remember, every fail is just another story for your victory speech. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more insightful content about psychology, self-help, and personal growth. See you in the next video.